Over decades, large-scale application of crop protection products was closely related with synthetic pesticides. During these days, our environment still has to cope with all the negative consequences. Meanwhile, a process of rethinking has started. Consumers play a major role in moving towards biological crop protection. Low efficacy, high prices and often very high technical efforts during the application were and still are the limiting criteria for a large-scale use of biological pesticides. Innovative biotechnological crop protection products are developed by the Austrian company Biotherm, together with the University of Constance in Germany. Microorganisms as active ingredient for pesticides of a new generation. They are highly efficient, competitive and friendly to the environment. An intelligent combination of nature and techniques. In general, the conditions are similar to the surface of our skin, where we have different microbes competing for space and nutrition. It is exactly the same on the plant surface. There we have very different microorganisms. Some are beneficial, others harmful to the plant. We checked which microbes are positive and we isolated exactly the best too. We produce these strains and apply them to the plant surface. We influence the population by shifting the community composition towards the positive microorganisms. In total, we checked 500 different microorganisms. Finally, the two strains which showed optimal performance in terms of efficacy against different diseases were chosen. The production of the antagonistic microorganism takes place in the laboratories of Biotherm under high-quality standard parameters. In general, we produce in this plant at a 5 cubic meter scale. The microorganisms remain in the fermenter for 48 hours. After the fermentation, the broth is concentrated in a centrifuge, then filtered, extruded and finally carefully dried in the fluidized bed dryer. After this process, the cells are stable till they are activated by resuspension in water before usage. Our microorganisms were isolated from nature and can be found in every orchard. We do not genetically modify our microorganisms. The Biotherm products are already used successfully. The products are actually used against fire blight and storage diseases in pome fruit. We use them as well against botrytis cinerea on grapes with great success. Actually, we are testing the performance in new crops, such as cut flowers in Colombia, or major crops such as banana, citrus and tomato in greenhouses. This is what we are currently working on. The products of Biotherm provide a substantial alternative to chemical crop protection. Chemical pesticides can cause pathogen resistance and, moreover, leave residues on our food. Different to them, biotechnological products don't leave residues. No resistance occurs. They are harmless for humans and animals. Compared to other biological products, the efficacy of our products is proven. In contrast to a lot of biological products, we obtained the registration as plant protection products. Therefore, a clear advantage of these biotechnological products is obvious. In this most innovative sector of plant protection, Biotherm is an international pioneer.